In today's video, we'll explore 10 healthy filling foods that can help you lose weight without feeling hungry. These nutrient-packed options are not only delicious, but also support your metabolism, carb cravings, and keep you satisfied throughout the day. Let's dive into these weight loss-friendly food choices. Watermelon aids weight loss by being low in calories, hydrating, and rich in fiber, helping to keep you full while reducing overall calorie intake. Adding hot pepper to meals can boost weight loss by increasing metabolism, reducing appetite, and enhancing fat burning due to the compound capsaicin. Capsaicin, the active compound in hot peppers, promotes weight loss by raising body temperature, increasing metabolism, and reducing appetite, which can lead to lower calorie intake. Grilled, boiled, or baked potatoes are beneficial for weight loss when prepared without high-calorie toppings like butter or cheese. These cooking methods retain the potato's fiber and nutrients, helping to keep you full while providing steady energy without the added fats and calories from unhealthy toppings. Oatmeal is a great choice for weight loss because it's high in fiber, especially beta-glucan, which promotes fullness, reduces cravings, and stabilizes blood sugar. Eating oatmeal in the morning can curb hunger throughout the day and provide sustained energy, especially when prepared without added sugars or excessive toppings. Low-calorie vegetables like celery, lettuce, cucumber, spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower are ideal for weight loss due to their high fiber and water content, which promote fullness with minimal calories. Rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants, they support metabolism, aid digestion, and can be eaten in generous portions without affecting calorie intake significantly. Soup rich in vegetables and protein is an excellent weight loss option as it provides a filling, nutrient-dense meal with minimal calories. The fiber from vegetables and the protein boost help promote satiety, reduce hunger, and stabilize blood sugar, making it easier to control overall calorie intake throughout the day. Research shows that soups rich in vegetables and protein can aid weight loss by promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Studies indicate that consuming soup before meals helps control hunger and reduces calorie consumption due to its high water and fiber content, which increases fullness and slows digestion. Air-popped popcorn is a great weight loss snack as it's low in calories, high in fiber, and can be eaten in large portions without adding extra calories. Rich in antioxidants, it helps curb cravings and keeps you full longer, making it a satisfying and healthy choice for between meals. Fish, especially fatty types like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, is an excellent choice for weight loss due to its high protein content, which promotes fullness and muscle maintenance. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fish also supports metabolism and reduces inflammation, making it a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option for healthy eating. Cottage cheese is a great weight loss food, packed with high-quality protein that promotes fullness and helps preserve muscle mass. Low in fat and calories, it also contains calcium, which may aid in fat metabolism. Its versatility makes it an easy addition to meals or snacks, keeping you satisfied longer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found these healthy, filling food tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content on weight loss and nutrition. Stay tuned for more tips to help you live your healthiest life.